Uh-oh. Yo got your pizza on your shirt.
Yep.
Because you were messy eater.
Nope.
Fixing to eat some more.
Yep.
I look like a hot mess.
Look great.
Okay, let's try to get this done before Jackson gets real busy.
Good luck.
Mama bumped a baby.
You can find your own way.
Are you getting
Find your own way.
Yes. Y'all, Daddy's singing. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. And we are gonna be doing this month's Snack Crate. We did not do last month's Snack Crate. I mean, we got it, but we did not film it because of everything that went on with Jackson. And if you don't know about that, I'll leave that up here and y'all can go check that out. But he got really sick and we ended up in the hospital, and the Snack Crate sat in our kitchen for like over a week.
Yep.
And I just couldn't handle it no more. I needed to try it. So we just tried it. It was from Australia and it was amazing. Let's get this done quickly before this video ends up really crazy, because it's already gonna be crazy. If you know us and you watch our videos, they're always crazy. You have kiddos always needing to join in. Jackson's right here, Mason's right there. So if the camera's moving,
And me.
if the camera's moving, then you know why. Did we say where this month was from?
Nope.
This month is from, do you want to show them? I'm excited about this one.
Ireland.
Corey's probably really excited about this one. So my sister, Corey, I know y'all have seen her in some of my videos. She's probably like the most excited about it because she's a little Irish baby. She was born on St. Patrick's Day. What are we trying?
Tato. The big 37.5 gram bag. Like the big. Boom. Worcester sauce flavor,
Okay, so
potato
it's like,
chips.
Probably like Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
Who else has Worcester chips?
Somebody else did.
Yeah, because we've tried them in another country before. They smell
Yeah.
like Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah.
They look just like Lay's potato chips. Woo! Yes, they smell like that.
They kick in there. At first there's not much, and then it kind of hits you.
Why do they taste like ketchup to me?
Kind of ketchup-y.
Yeah.
I don't know. Really zingy, like. I don't know. I'm on the fence on that one.
I don't know if I'm crazy about those.
I'm not sure either.
Now we're gonna try the Cadbury Dairy Milk Golden Crisp. Mason wants to try this so bad, so we're bribing him to sit over there that we'll go ahead and open this and try it. Their packaging is like
Cadbury Golden Crisp. The famous dairy milk chocolate from Cadbury with tiny pieces of honeycomb sprinkled in each bite. Sounds amazing.
And Cadbury chocolate's so good.
That is really good.
Cadbury chocolate makes you very thirsty.
Yes, so.
So, we're gonna try this.
Yes, please.
A Club Rock Shandy. Shandy? Is that how you would say it? It says with real bits. So they're like chunks of
A zesty mix of
in
orange
here?
and lemon topped off with a refreshing fizz of club soda.
smell like a lemon soda.
When they say bits,
It tastes like a surge or like a mellow yellow. With a lot of lemon.
yeah, no, I really like it. It's good. When they say bits, they mean like, you know, they don't mean like pieces of things. It's just kind of like a language.
Oh.
Let's get into the Chewits Extreme.
6 times extremely sour apple.
Warning, don't bite off more than you can chew. There we go. Chomp on one of those things, but don't bite off more than you can chew.
I'm gonna put the whole thing on.
Okay.
They're like an hour later. They're so chewy. They taste clean teeth.
Oh yeah.
Mmm. They taste just like now and later. Just like the green ones. Don't they?
Yep.
Are they sour? Mmm. I feel like they're not sour.
They're not 6 times
It says
extremely
6
sour.
times extremely sour. Mm-mm. They're not sour. They're
No.
really good.
They are really good.
Let's try these. Rebels or Regals? How would you say that?
I don't know in Ireland.
I don't know either. They like wafer.
Chocolate dip bites
Oh, they're like milk duds.
with a mix of surprise flavors including raisin, orange, coffee, malt, chocolate, and
Oh.
coffee.
Okay, I just had like a malt, so that was like a Whopper. This looks like a milk dud. It's not like a milk dud though.
I just got orange. It was really good.
This is interesting.
It is.
There are all different flavors in there.
That's cool. The orange is really good.
There's a toffee.
There's raisin.
Ew, I don't
You
want
can tell
raisin.
by the size.
This is probably raisin, huh?
These are good. Yep. Oh, there was the malt. Oh, there's the coffee.
Me too.
I like it.
Wow. That was shocking.
I really like the coffee one.
There's probably no more. There's probably only 2 apiece.
Oh no. Star Bar by Cadbury again.
This is all Cadbury.
Is Cadbury in Ireland? What's the
It
deal?
has to be. I didn't realize they were though, but they have to be. Uh-oh, Corey's not gonna like this. This is a marshmallow cake. She doesn't like marshmallows.
Star Bar milk chocolate wraps a filling of rich caramel and crushed roasted peanuts.
Oh, really?
Star
so
Bar.
like a Snickers?
Let's take a peek.
Is it like a Snickers? Kind of looks like it. It's not like a Snickers though.
Dang, that's good. I really like that. That's been one of my most favorite things. Yum. From any country. That's really good. I want this with a Coke.
What is this? A Whisper?
Whisper.
Whisper. Whisper.
Deliciously light and unique, made with a bubbly chocolate filling and wrapped Cadbury milk chocolate.
I don't know. I don't like candy like that. I've never.
Oh, that's really.
I want stuff in the middle. Caramel and peanuts. That's just pure chocolate.
Oh, I really like this one too. I need a glass of milk
I
with
mean,
this one.
it's good. It's just not my favorite.
Dang, I'm all dirty in your video.
You're all dirty everything. Now we have the Cadbury Sandwich Snack.
Cadbury again.
Milk chocolate sandwich biscuit.
Snack bar, smooth milk chocolate filling sandwich between 2 shortcake squares for the perfect biscuity snack. Another good one. That's really familiar though.
Okay, let's try this. This is like a marshmallow cake, but they call it a chocolate tea cake.
Hi, Ina.
It says a mallow cake covered in thick milk chocolate.
Elite tea cakes. These sweet cookies are topped with marshmallow and dipped in milk chocolate.
But it doesn't say Cadbury.
I'm not crazy
You're not
about
like that.
marshmallowy things either. Like,
Corey doesn't like marshmallow things. Let's try it. I'm not crazy about that one. What else do we have? Galaxy. Galaxy Caramel Collection. This is up my alley because I love caramel and chocolate.
smooth and creamy chocolate with a luscious caramel filling.
This is too much chocolate. My stomach's gonna hurt.
I can feel my stomach like
This is just too much.
asking me why I'm eating so much chocolate right now. Because there's a whole Tony's frozen pizza in my stomach right now.
That's not anybody.
Like a full-size one.
Yours.
I'm
Okay, let's try those last potato chips over there.
That's a good one.
I'm so tired of eating chocolate.
Yeah.
I think that's all of it though.
The Tato Craft hand-cooked crisp. Vintage, Irish, cheddar, and onion flavor. Yep.
Let me just put my feet on you. How are those?
That's a
Are they
good
good?
chip, yeah.
They're like Lay's too.
Mm.
I like
It's a
those.
really good chip. It's a really good chip. I like that a lot.
Okay, you ready for our last thing?
That's
I
right.
saved these for last because these are it says crazy face, crazy fizzy. Like if we had a fizz in our mouth. They're different colors. This one's blue. Is it gum?
I don't know. These bite-sized candies are filled with cola and bubblegum powder that fizzes in your mouth.
They're not fizzing. They're kind of sour.
Oh, it smells like gum.
They taste weird. I don't know.
Are you chewing it?
No, I'm not.
Well, I don't know. I thought they were a lot harder than they.
I don't think I like these. I thought they were like fizz in your mouth like Pop Rocks.
Well, I thought it'd be more fizzy.
When it says, ew! I don't like that one at all. That's a brown one.
You got
Yeah.
that figured out while I was holding my brown one.
Whoa, you have to try it. You have different taste buds than me.
No, I'm full.
Ooh, the brown one's so gross. It's like, I don't know what that
Oh,
is. It's so gross.
wow. That is pungent. Like,
What is that?
I don't know. That one's the cola.
Whew. I don't like it.
That is all there.
Alrighty, we also got like little hard candies, but I'm not gonna sit here and eat a hard candy for y'all.
Aw.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We have an Instagram too. The link is always down in the description box below. And you know us, our videos are always crazy and all over the place with our kiddos, but it's just the way it is.
Yes. I like it.
Thank you so much for watching and we will see y'all in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
I like this.